everyone, I'm Frances Coffey from the Pastry Depot. I wanted to show you today how to use the Irca Dark Lilly Mousse mix. This is gluten-free, so I'm gonna make this a filling for a yummy gluten-free cake. First, this recipe is gonna show that it is 200 grams of the Lilly mix, and I don't need that much, so I'm gonna do at least half of this recipe. So I'm just gonna scale 100 grams. So for scaling, you definitely wanna use a scale that is exact for grams. You can't just do cups for this. This needs to be exact. I'm gonna put everything in one bowl because that's the great part about this mix. You just put everything in here and whip it until it's the consistency you want. We're gonna do 100 grams of mix. Then we need 150 grams of water. And lastly, we need 500 grams of heavy cream. Now you have the option with this recipe to do milk or water. I don't have milk right now, or else I would have used milk, so I'm doing water. That's fine with the heavy cream. It's almost like a half and half. So the normal recipe was 200 grams. Since I wanted to do half, I just divided everything by 2. So now that we have all of this together, all you're gonna do is have a whisk attachment and whip it for maybe 5 minutes on medium speed. Just keep an eye on it because it needs to hydrate the mix and it's gonna make like a whipped cream consistency. You don't wanna over whip it. This can still over whip. All right. You can see it is thick. I mean, look at that. So I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator now and hold it till I'm ready to layer my cake.